Good afternoon, friend. I am Nilesh Kurghate and I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic structure of antibody. Now, what is the antibody? So, antibody is a simple class of immunoglobulins or the proteins which is produced by the B cell in exposure to the antigens. Okay, so when antigens or any foreign substance enter in your body, our immune system recognizes that of antigens and our B cells that are activated and converted into a plasma cells. And their plasma cells secrete the enormous quantity of antibody in our systems, and this antibody kill the antigens. So now, what is the structure of antibody? So antibody is made up of Y-shaped structure. Is the Y-shaped structure made up of two chains, that is the two heavy and two light chain. Two heavy and two light chains. Okay. So the heavy and light chains comprises, these are attaches with each other with the help of disulfide bond. Okay. So the heavy chains is a long chain which is made up of two regions. The heavy chain is made up of variable plus constant regions. So light chain is also made up of variable plus constant regions. So in light chains there is a present one variable and one constant region. One variable and one constant region. In the heavy chain there is a present one variable and the three constant regions. Okay. So the first, this antibody is structure of the antibody is divided into two parts. When this antibody is cleaved by the using enzyme papain, at that time it generated the antibody into two fragments. So first fragment is called as a antigen binding fragment, or it is called as a Fab. And second is called the FC, that is the crystallizable fragments which is responsible for biological activity or mediations. So when this antibody is cleaved or break down by the enzyme papain, at that time it is divided into a two part or converted into a two part. First is the antigen binding site, that is the Fab, and second is the FC, crystallizable fragments. So this antibody is near about approximately 150 kilodalton in weight, 150 kilodalton in a weight. Out of that, the heavy chain is of the 50,000 dalton, and this light chain is made up of nearly 22,000 dalton. So now, what is the function of antibody? The function of the antibody is designed by the two arms, that is the Fab and the FC. So this Fab region, out of that, the variable region of heavy and light chain, variable region of heavy and light chain is responsible to kill or to bind to the antigens. The variable region, which is made up of one heavy chain and one light chain, contain the same amino acid sequence or conserve amino acid sequence. Near about 100 to 110 amino acids are present in that regions, and these are the highly specific amino acid. The constituent of the amino acid is near about same in the both variable regions, and these regions make a paratope. Paratope region of the antibody, and this region of the antibody is responsible to the binding to the antigen, or especially to the epitope of the antigen. So it means that the region of the antibody, which is comprises of the variable region of the light chains and variable region of the heavy chain, contain conserved amino acid sequences, or sometimes the conserved amino acid sequences is called the heavy chain hypervariable regions and light chain hypervariable regions, which comprises nearly about 3 to 6 regions. And this region is responsible for the binding to the antigens or the epitopes. Okay. Now second is the FC region. So what is the function of FC regions? So this FC regions is responsible for the biological activity mediations. That means it is responsible, this FC region or crystallizable fragment region is responsible to activate or combine with the complement systems molecule. So it is combined with the molecules which is made up of complement system, and this is responsible for the killing the pathogen. And sometimes this FC regions is also responsible to the binding to the FC receptors on the cells. So Out of that, now the two regions have a different functions. The Fab region is responsible for binding the antigens and killing the antigens, and the Fab region is responsible for the complement binding region. So these are the simple structure of the antibody. So antibody is a simple immunoglobulins. This antibody is also called as an immunoglobulin, that is the Ig. An antibody is a simply Y-shaped molecules which is produced by the B cell in response to the antigens, and this Y-shaped molecule is divided into the two parts, Fab and Fc. The function of the Fab is it contains the variable region, and the variable region is responsible for the binding the antigens. Now the variable regions, here made about two heavy and two light chains. So near about 5 types of light chains are present in a heavy chains. That is the alpha, mu, delta, epsilon and gamma. These are the 5 heavy chains which are present here, and light chains are of two types. So light chains are of two types. One is a kappa and another is a lambda. So in one antibody there is a one light chains and one heavy chains are present. So the antibody which contain the two light chains and two heavy chains, these two light chains is of the same nature, either kappa or either lambda in one antibody. So suppose here in that structure this chain is composed of kappa, so same second chain is also made up of kappa. So this region is responsible, the kappa chains and light chains, kappa chain and lambda chains is present on the antibodies are the two types. So and next is that this structure is compromised, or this structure is responsible for binding the epitopes. So these are the structure of antibody. Thank you.